Hello my friends, you got Mark coming to you tonight. It is February 3rd, 2018, and well, my addiction to 357 SIG continues. Alright, this little guy right here, a 40 neck down to a 9, has just won my heart over. And what am I doing about this growing addiction? Well, first was a Glock 32 Gen 3, and now you're looking at a brand new Glock 31 Gen 4. Got the medium-sized backstrap with the beaver tail on it. What do you say we go down here at my little shooting range, and you'll see myself take the first shots. Also my friends Marky, Tilson, and Patrick take turns shooting this hand cannon. Let's give it a look.
That's the XB? No.
Whew.
Oh, you got it!
Yeah.
I like that.
Oh, that. I like that.
Oh yeah.
Did you shoot that one, Tony? Did you shoot that one?
A whole lot of gun to hold on to.
Yeah, them talon grips would definitely help. Well, my friends, I'm back up here at the house, and my friends that you saw shooting there on the video, they absolutely enjoyed this firearm right here. What the Glock 31 Gen 4 comes with, 3 15-round magazines. Glock makes some of the best magazines in the industry. They are still covered by the plastic cover here. I like them. 1, 2, 3. That's what, 15, 30, 45 rounds of 357 SIG goodness right there. You gotta love it. Also comes with the back straps, the 2 regular size back straps, medium and large, and the medium and large beaver tail back straps. As you can see, I have the medium-sized beaver tail back strap on here. Why? It just feels good. And even though I've never gotten slide bite from any Glock model, it just feels real good. Plus, it looks good. Also, I replaced the original slide plate here on the back. They're polymer. And I got the one off eBay with the 357 logo. It just looks good if you ask me. And the only other thing I'm going to do right now, I've ordered some talon grips off eBay to fit this firearm. The rubberized ones. Put them on here. I like Talon grips. I like traction grips. They're pretty good. A lot of people might say, well, just get some skateboard tape. Might work as well, but I like those custom cut fitted Talon grips pretty well. You got your basic Glock sights here. A lot of people like to replace these, but I don't believe I need to. These sights are pretty dead on the way they are. You got your oversized mag release button right there. Slide lock lever right here. The trigger pull on here, pretty much like Glock advertises, 5.5 pounds. As you can see, there's no magazine in here. No round in the chamber. Okay. Reset. Nice. Real nice. We're good to go. 357 SIG, in my opinion, is the most underrated and overlooked round there is. It is a high velocity, flat shooting, high impact round. And a lot of people shy away from it because of the price of that ammo. Well, you know, you want something good, well, you get what you pay for. And 357 SIG is definitely worth something paying for. Why I prefer this over 357 Magnum? Well, you do have some semi-auto firearms chambered in 357 Magnum, like a Kuna 1911. But why should I pay, what, $1,500 for something with 8+1 capacity when I can pay less than $600 for something with 15+1 capacity? Plus, the round has been proven. A lot of law enforcement agencies, including state troopers, are going to the 357 SIG caliber. And Glock 31 right here is a good reason why. I can't say enough good things about this. You know, you can say, well, maybe I'm biased toward this round. That's fine, I probably am. I love it. I'm addicted to it. I thought about getting a SIG P320 chambered in this same round, but from my experiences with Glocks, they just work. Under almost any conditions, you put a round in, you rack that slide, and you're good to go. You pull the trigger, it's going to go bang. That's the most important thing. It works when you need it to, okay? Well, listen, I babbled on long enough. It's, well, almost past midnight here. I'm going to get off here, get some sleep. Tell you people what, hope you click the like button. And if you like my videos on my channel, please subscribe, okay? This is Mark, GarageGate79. When you go shooting, be safe.